going to be walking around recording. So are you paying attention to Mrs. Roy or Miss Maven?
Miss Maven.
All right. So let's get on our feet. How many days of school we had?
118.
118. On our feet. Who's back there in the closet?
Caleb.
Caleb, join us. Trevin, what was the direction? All right. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Forward.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Knees.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
91.
92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110.
Start your toes.
11,
Everyone.
13, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118.
So how many days of school have we had? 118. Find our chairs. All right. I'll wait till I have all of my eyes. My pencil boxes should still be closed and add our name cards. Pencil boxes should be closed and add your name cards. Get them out and put them by your name card. Oh, we got all my friends. All right. So, we've been learning some new math vocabulary these last few weeks. If I measure me this way, from the floor to the tip of my head, I'm measuring my what? Raise your hand. Tom?
So,
I'm measuring myself, but I'm measuring my what? Colin?
hi.
My height. If I measure me from fingertip to fingertip, it's a word. How wide I am or my width. How tall I am is my height, and how wide I am is my width. What about our new word? What's our new word? It's a K word. Peyton? You want to pass it to a friend? Angel? did it this morning. You want to pass it? Ella? Capacity. Someone raise your hand if you know what it means to measure capacity. Trevin? It means how much it holds, and it can hold a lot or it can hold a little. So Kenya, how could you say that? Capacity is the measurement of what? Not how much it weighs, Caitlin.
Capacity is how much it holds.
Capacity is how much it holds. Me than you. Capacity is how much it holds.
Capacity is how much it holds.
Very good. We are going to play an engagement game where we compare capacity of different containers because our goal today is to compare different capacities. Trevin, hands please. Peyton, would you go turn off just my middle light switch, please? What was my unit of measure this morning when I measured my capacity? What things did I use? What was my unit of measure? Go ahead, Colin. Peyton? I didn't use cubes today. That was yesterday. I did use cubes yesterday. Tom? I took my oats and I put them in the bowl. What did I use?
Oats.
I used oats, but what did I use to scoop them? My hand. My hand was one of my units of measure. What was the other thing I used to measure? Brooke? Spoons. A spoonful and a handful was my non-standard unit of measure. No. All right. This is a really fun game that's going to get us excited about comparing capacity. What's that word?
Capacity.
Thank you for correcting me. Okay, so we have two containers, and both containers can hold things. What it wants us to decide is right now which container has a bigger capacity, which holds more. Peyton, which one do you think holds more? Either point. Do this or do this when we're doing it. Peyton says this. And he says, yes, you've done it, because that's right. That one holds more. So everyone show me. Does this one hold less or does this one hold less? Shake your hand. This one holds less. Shake this hand because look, the water is this high here on this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Oh, it says sorry, try again. Oh, that one was almost over its capacity. If it's over its capacity, what would that mean? It spills because it can't hold that much.
It will flood.
All right, we've done it. So, we have just compared capacity. But now I'm going to trick you. Peytons, would you go turn my lights on, please?
Whoa. I guess that is sort of...
Oh. Okay, so I have two containers.
Yay.
I have two containers. Are these equal containers?
No.
Why aren't they equal? Just use your description words. Brooke, what are different about these containers? I have them on a common baseline. They're sitting on a flat surface. What is different about them? Why aren't they equal? Brooke says, Trevin, in your seat. Brooke says one is shorter and one is taller. Can someone tell me something else that's different about them? Ella?
The oats are not in the same size. This one's bigger and this one's
So you don't think there's the same number of oats in there? Okay. Have a seat. What's different about the containers? Corbin?
The one that has more is bigger, the one is shorter.
Which one do you think has more? This one? Okay, Corbin says this one has more. Raise your hand if you think this one has more. Raise your hand if you think this one has more.
Not the people.
Raise your hand if you think they're equal. Okay, let's test it. I have my measuring cup. And I have my bowl. Now, if I'm using a measuring cup, I'm not using non-standard units of measure. I'm actually going to be using standard units of measure. And these are called milliliters.
I know those are.
So I'm going to measure this one first. Oh, and this one's actually too big to measure. I'm going to use my cup. So our unit of measure would be a cup. Now, I'm going to pour it in. Oops, I missed a few. Now, Corbin, is that pretty close to the top? Not exact, but it's pretty close, right?
I didn't see it.
Peyton's, it's okay, I'll be back.
I want to eat it.
So, you've seen where this one is. So I'm going to dump it in the bowl.
I haven't seen it.
Peyton's, leave it alone, please. Now I'm going to measure this one. Do you guys, I think we thought there was more in this one, but let's see. Oops.
That's not working.
This one has more or less in it, Corbin.
What?
This one has less in it. Tessa, what did you say?
One bottle is wider.
One bottle was wider. And if it's wider, does it have more room to hold things?
Yes.
So is the capacity greater?